I'm happy to see you are clear with the concept, Tiger. Let's practice comparing more quantities.
I can never get tired of them.
Compare these quantities. Find the ratio of carrots to tomatoes to pumpkins. We can see that there are 2 carrots, 3 tomatoes, and 4 pumpkins. The ratio of the number of carrots to the tomatoes to pumpkins is 2:3:4. That's better. Find the ratio of red circles to yellow circles to green circles.
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 107 videos totaling 10 hours and 41 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 5 Math.